Today for the Bitcoin price, look at this guys, Bitcoin actually broke out here exactly as predicted and also exactly to the price target I was mentioning here, not only throughout the last few days, but also in the video I posted a few hours ago. Because going over to this chart, you can see here that the Fibonacci extension level I was drawing just a few hours ago was predicting this exact price target. And as you can see, Bitcoin broke out and we hit my price target. And the question right now, of course, arises, guys, what is the next price target for Bitcoin? Is this the beginning of the blow off top and we are going lower, or are we actually going up here to our price target close to the previous all-time high from 2017? Well, this is exactly what I want to be talking about today. But also guys, I have some major warning signs evolving in the Bitcoin charts right now. Look at this. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now going parabolic and vertical exactly as I expected and as I predicted earlier. And the question right now is, when are we going to break the parabolic trend here? I want to talk about that. I want to be showing you my trade on Bybit, $127,000 in profit. When am I going to take profits here? My other trade on Phemex, as you can see right here, $185,000 in profit. This is the long-term one, but the most important one is of course my short-term one I actually opened just recently, this one here. And as you can see, this one is right now $109,000 in profit just in a matter of 3 days. And the question right now is of course, Chris, when are you going to take profits? And more importantly, what is your next trade for Bitcoin right now? Well guys, I will answer all of these questions, so make sure you take a seat, you watch this video until the very end, you sit down, you scroll down, you smash up the like button to 6,000, 7,000, whatever, 20,000 likes. Thank you so much for that, because guys, you know, your help, your support, every noise you make for the algorithm, whether it's a like, whether it's hitting the subscription button, pressing the bell and pressing on all, but more importantly here, pressing on the share button and sharing this video with your friends, this supports us so much, and only because of you, we are right now the most viewed crypto channel in the world. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin got the breakout here exactly as predicted in the video earlier and also within the last few days. And as you can see here, we got a massive breakout out of this rising wedge here to the price level of approximately $17,800. And if you are subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, this shouldn't come with any surprise to you here. Let me pull out the volume candles. As you can see here, this volume is actually finally not underwhelming anymore. This is a very high and significant volume, and the question right now of course arises, is this here only a pit stop before we are going to higher price levels, or is this here finally the beginning of the blow off top and for a massive rejection towards the downside? This is exactly what I want to be talking about. I will be going into my trades, and I can tell you something, if I am showing you my trades, you might be a little bit surprised, and I want to elaborate on my game plan, my strategy right now for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. And I want to also answer and address the question, Chris, where are you going to open your next trade? Let me talk about that. First of all, I want to show you this exact chart here, and I was talking about this chart not only within the last few days, also with DaVinci J15, but also just a few hours ago when the price was still around $16,000. And you know what guys, look at this little clip here just from a few hours ago where I was calling for this exact price target here to come into fruition. Look at this small clip here from the video I posted a few hours ago. Look at this. And you remember how all of our price targets were so accurate. Once hit, we had the small retracement. Well, let's pull out the next one here. And I was actually talking with DaVinci J15 about this specific level here. Let me pull that out. This specific level here, the 3 Fibonacci extension level at $17,600, not perfectly drawn, approximately. I would be always taking profits below these targets. Look at this, and let me diminish that, because I want to show you exactly what I did here to predict the exact price, which was actually basically hit right now just a few minutes ago. If I am zooming in here and I am taking from the mid of August swing high here at $12,500 to the swing low of the rejection, then you can see here, basically, I mean guys, you cannot make it up, and this is not a joke, it's not even funny anymore. We actually hit exactly, but pretty much exactly the price target I was mentioning not only earlier today, but also within the last few days, approximately among the $17,700 level. Let me know in the comment section down below if you took a profitable trade, if you are in a profitable trade here after watching our episode, and more importantly, if you, please guys, also are taking some profits here along the lines, because I want to show you some major warning signs evolving on the Bitcoin charts right now. But first of all, I wanted to take a few seconds and say congratulations for everyone, guys. We absolutely made it, guys. We really nailed it. Once we were trading here this $7,000 breakout, then we traded the $9,000, the $10,700, the $11,700. All our price targets are perfectly hit. And I want to address the question, what is the next price target? Because the only thing we can do after hitting all our previous price target absolutely perfectly here is to just bring out the next price target, because we are always taking profits along the lines and we are letting the rest rise towards the upside to take profits at even higher price levels. And this is actually the way also how we made these significant profits here recently. And I want to go into my trades. First of all, I wanted to talk about that. If you pull this from the swing high to the swing low, the Fibonacci retracement, or in this level, in this case, the Fibonacci extension ratios, then you can see that the 3x Fibonacci was at 17,700. The next one is, and this guy, believe it or not, I'm not saying we are necessarily going to hit it, and if we will be on the trajectory towards these price levels, I will for sure take profits before we are hitting this price level. But this would be, believe it or not, the $20,000 level, in perfect alignment with the previous all-time high we had in December 2017. And as I already said, I mean, guys, I am taking profits here very soon. Actually, in this exact moment, I will be also starting to scale out here of some of my trades, but the rest I want to ride here towards the upside to even higher price targets, because I took so many profits that I made the equity I put in, I already tenfolded that only by the profits I already took. So I will keep continuing taking profits here, but I want to go here directly into my trades and also show you exactly what my game plan is for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. So this is my first trade over on Bybit, and you can see here, this trade I opened at 10,850. It is right now at an 830% return on equity, 128,000 US dollars in a profit. And this is a trade I want to slowly starting to scale out right now. Why slowly? Because I had a very strong entry position, and the chance of being liquidated here at 10,400 US dollars is rather low. I'm not saying it's zero, but it's rather low. So I am slowly scaling out here. One trade where I am quickly, but I am talking about very quickly going to scale out here, is obviously my trade over on Phemex. And this one you can see over there. This trade I just opened a few days ago. In the moment I opened it, people started laughing here, but you can see here, this was a very nice breakout position here, a breakout trade. As you can see here, going over to the trade, going over to the chart, I traded this breakout here with a 750,000 US dollar position. And I updated you over on Twitter in the exact moment I opened it. As you can see, this trade is right now 108,000 US dollars in a profit, approximately 300% in a profit, and this only within in the last few days. And here, this is the short-term trade. I am here actually in a 25x leverage, and a 25x leverage shouldn't be open for all too long. So here I will take profits very soon. I will actually start scaling out right now. And if I am going over here to my other trade, this is the very long-term trade. This one I will keep on open for a longer term, and this one is right now nearly already 200,000 US dollars in a profit, 185,000 US dollars, 1,120%. I mean, it is already mind-blowing, but guys, we are doing simple technical analysis here. We are excluding all the noise. We are doing so accurate predictions here at the MMCrypto channel. By the way, smash up the like button if you got any value here, that these price targets shouldn't come with any surprise to us. So what I want to see right now for Bitcoin is, of course, holding the parabolic curve, because this is the warning signs which are right now evolving in the charts. These are here the 3-day candles for Bitcoin. And as you can see, I was already many days ago pointing out that we are in a parabolic curve. And I can tell you something, if one thing is certain, then it's the death, and also that everything which goes vertical, everything which goes parabolic has to end at any point of time, because Nothing which is vertical, nothing which is parabolic is made for eternity. And you can see here this parabolic curve right now on the cusp of going completely vertical. And whenever this happens, this is the moment the quote jumps in. And this is the moment that a massive red candle, a massive blow off top is imminent. Am I saying we are going to hit it yet? Am I saying we are going to break it yet? Maybe not necessarily, but in the moment we are breaking it, all our warning signs should be going on. We should be taking more profits and we should be looking out for the blow off top. So in case we are actually breaking the previous high here at 17,812 US dollars, I want to be calling the next price target according to the Fibonacci extension levels below the 20,000 US dollar levels. But guys, very important, we need a volume supported breakout, above the previous high of 17,850. Then we can pound the table and look for the next price target, of course, here for Bitcoin. So far, guys, I really want you to remain not bearish, but to remain cautious here, because these parabolic curves, they will break at any point of time right now. So I am cautious. This is the reason why I took profits. This is the reason why I continue to take profits here. And if we are breaking down, well, I want to be taking profits among the 14,000. I want to be starting my next trade among the 14,300 US dollar levels if we are actually getting the bounce there. But more importantly, I want to be starting my next trade once we are going here. I'm going to the weekly candles. Once we are hitting this blue line here, which is right now increasing at a rapid speed here, which will be probably also among the 14,000 US dollar price levels once this time comes. This will be my next trade on Bitcoin, my next long-term trade, in case we are not making here any new patterns for Bitcoin. So this is my trading plan right now. And I also wanted to tell you guys, if you are standing on the sidelines, if you want to put in your next trade, well, the best thing you can basically do is just to sit down, also to scroll down, to go down to the pinned comment and then use this link here, because here's a 610 US dollar bonus. And I want to tell you, even though this is a free bonus you can trade with and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade from the exchange, I want to tell you, please trade it with caution, because with this trade alone, with this bonus alone, you can make significant gains, and you want to wait for the right entry position. So as you can see here, if you click this link in the pinned comment down below, you make your own account, and after hitting the deposit schedule here, as you can see it below, takes like 20-25 seconds with the link in the pinned comment down below, you get $610 bonus at a 20x leverage. It's a $12,000 trade completely for free. So make sure you take advantage of that. Also, there is the MMCryptoTrading.com link down below. If you put in your name and your best email address, you get a 20% once in a lifetime discount on the course on pattern and breakout trading I am going to release very, very soon. I want to make sure that the MMCrypto family gets this discount here. But also very important, guys, you can count on me. I will be keep pushing this content here completely for free on YouTube for you forever. And my course here is just for people who want to take it to the next level, in the pinned comment down below. So guys, this is my game plan right now. Let's go over here to the Dow Jones futures. I just wanted to show it to you. They are slightly positive here. I think the printing press is going to start, of course, anytime soon. They are already announcing it. They are already printing day and night. So Bitcoin and gold and all of these things, they don't know any top, because fiat knows no bottom. For fiat, the bottom is zero. Hence, the top for Bitcoin is infinity. I really want you to keep that in mind. Once this big rejection comes, keep in mind what Bitcoin is made for, and keep in mind the long-term view of Bitcoin and why we are actually here. We are not only here for trading, we are also here to hold Bitcoin forever, because Bitcoin is your scapegoat. Bitcoin is your vote against the central banking system. Buying Bitcoin, holding Bitcoin is your vote for freedom. Don't forget about that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, for pressing the subscription button, pressing the bell. And this is important, pressing here on all. And then you can make sure that you get the notifications when I am releasing my next time-sensitive video. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @ChrisMMCrypto. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.